Yeah, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show my preview of Gemini Robotics-ER 1.6. This is a recent release of Gemini DeepMind, where you can use this model for VLA. So let's see. Uh, yeah. Yeah, this is the Gemini API page where they have documented well. You can see if you need to know about this. So I'm going to run this by using a API in this video. So watch till the end. This is the model version comparison. 6 months before, they have released the Gemini Robotics 1.5 preview. Yeah, you can see here the audio generation is not supported, and the caching and batch APIs are not supported. Some of they have not enabled in that 1.5 ER, where in ER 1.6 they have support batch APIs and cache code execution and computer use. You can compare this by seeing here. So, and I have one PPT to show to you before going to execute the preview code. Yeah, once again. This PPT was prepared by the notebook with the use of notebook LLM, where I will explain something what I have here about this ER 1.6 model. So what is ER? This is embodied reasoning model developed by the Google DeepMind. So the expectation of the traditional robot is be a looping doing tasks. There is not having any kind of intelligence to be performed in the real world environment, but the reality of the work unit is very different. We have messy worlds, so the robots need to be deal with this messy world. For that, these VLA models are going to be play a important role. So this slide shows you a program behavior, traditional program behavior, and the agentic behavior of models like Gemini ER 1.6. They followed a rigid and hard-code description is dependence, and blindly execute the code, and they have not having any kind of intelligence. But here we will make a robot to think and see the world in real time. Here the Gemini ER 1.6, it going to be sitting in the physical hardware. So this model is going to be make a very big impact in the robotic community. So this ER model, it's like giving a blueprint to the VLAs. So VLA can make actions with the help of this embodied reasoning. This will reason, plan, and see the world, and they will give in the JSON format or any kind of data that we just I am saying like a blueprint that will be transferred to the VLA models. So we can run in third-party APIs, robotic APIs also. The first superpower is object deduction. It's going to be one of the important thing. I'm going something fast because the video is going to be very lengthy, so I'm skipping that. You can just explore it. the multi-view reasoning, it is also making a robot to imagine the real world in a 3D view. So a camera view is going to be a 2D. So if a robot needs a 3D viewpoint, we will use multi-view cameras to reasoning the model. So this is the breakthrough of Gemini 1.6, where they can reading the data of analog devices like voltmeters or any kind of analog device. They can they will understand this is a potentiometer or any analog device. Then they will take a reading inside the analog. By zooming them, by cropping them, they can understand this is the voltmeter or analog device, and they are also capable of taking a reading from that analog device instrumental. The another thing is I want to tell is the budget planning or budget thinking is said by this ER 1.6. This is going to be very effective way to compute the model. Sometimes we need the thinking and reasoning of a model should be very simple. For example, to to fold a box for a number of times. There is no critical thinking level we need for a long time. So the computation we need to be set low. By this budget thinking, we can reduce the computation, so it can be effectively do faster and faster than other wasting time in thinking, because the task, the policy or the task itself a simple one. The another side, we want to increase the budget thinking. For example, the lab work like mixing of active chemicals, we need more accuracy, more thinking capable. So we will increase the budget thinking into high, so it can make very slow, because the critical thinking is going to be a major thing for these use cases. So I have said before, this is the agentic vision looping. By seeing, you can understand what the loop is working. This is going to be a simple explanation, this slide. Deploying in the wild, yeah, you can see the Boston Dynamics recent videos. The spot dog was it deployed the ER 1.6 model, so you can check it out, the video also. Yeah, I have said before itself, thinking budgets. So thinking budget is important. Another thing have been developed in this ER 1.6 preview. So I will going into the running the preview model by the help of API. So let's start.